All right, Sam, a question that comes up a lot is the question regarding PMI when it comes to conventional loans. So can you explain exactly what PMI is and the importance of PMI and your options with it?
Yeah. So PMI stands for private mortgage insurance. And basically what that is an added layer of protection for lenders to help mitigate risk. And PMI is required on a conventional mortgage loan whenever the borrower puts down less than 20%. The reason why that is just because a borrower who has less than 20% of equity in their home is considered higher risk. So even though PMI is mainly added protection for the lender, it also really helps out buyers because it gives them the opportunity to purchase a home without that huge 20% down payment, which really breaks down that barrier for a lot of home buyers.
Yeah, and that's one topic or point that I was going to hit on, that if you are looking to buy, this is an area to speak with your loan officer about of how does that number change and how much cash does that free up? You know, because putting down 5% versus 20% could be huge. Right. It could be $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, right? And depending on what size home you're
Absolutely.
buying. So, you know, I know everyone tells you put down the 20%, PMI is just a big no-no. But if you really want to be in that home, and again, if you're renting, you're paying the landlord's mortgage basically on their loan that they might have PMI on.
Right.
So you might be paying it if you're renting already. You don't even know it. So always have that conversation. And, you know, if you find that home or you're looking at a home and you're just like, man, I really want to be there. This is an option to consider, to put less down and just pay the PMI. We'll break down the numbers in another conversation, but I just wanted to point that out, that it's not a requirement, correct? It's not like you have to put down 20%.
Correct.
It's just that's when you get to 20%, the PMI isn't needed and the lender feels safer.
Absolutely. Right? Yeah. And, you know, just like Adam said, I always say it's really important to get with your loan officer and have that discussion about everything to do with the loan process to see what's best for your unique situation, because it really can vary depending on your finances and what those look like.
Yeah, absolutely. Because realtors, we can't give you that financial advice and just tell you what to do. That's why we have you get with the loan officer, and it's a great relationship again to determine all the issues and all the topics and the nuances in the real estate game.
Absolutely.